Hello everyone, and welcome. Have you ever stopped to think that every missed penny in your revenue cycle isn't just a small loss? It's a missed opportunity. In the world of revenue cycle management, these seemingly small mistakes can add up to significant losses. Now that we've set the stage, let's dive into the costly mistakes in revenue cycle management, why they happen and how to prevent them. By understanding these gaps, you learn strategies to recover lost revenue and stop missed opportunities from piling up. Mistake number 1. Inaccurate patient data. Errors in demographics or insurance info often result in denied claims. Tip: verify patient info at registration and confirm insurance coverage before services. Mistake number 2. Coding errors. Incorrect ICD, CPT, or HCPCS codes can delay reimbursements or trigger audits. Always use certified medical coders, train staff, and use software that flags errors automatically. Mistake 3. Delayed or denied claims. Late submissions reduce cash flow, and ignored denials mean lost revenue. Always submit claims promptly and track denials to ensure payment. Mistake 4. Poor patient communication. Patients unclear about copays, deductibles, or payments often delay payments. Provide clear estimates, offer flexible payment options, and send reminders. Mistake 5. Lack of analytics. Without monitoring KPIs like denial rates or days in accounts receivable, clinics miss opportunities to improve revenue. Tip: track key metrics and adjust processes based on insights. To recap, the biggest RCM mistakes are inaccurate patient data, coding errors, delayed or denied claims, poor patient communication, and lack of analytics. Implement proper checks, staff training, and tools to prevent revenue leakage. Thank you for watching. Start implementing these tips to prevent revenue leakage in your clinic. Don't forget to subscribe for more clinic management tips.